See, yesterday what we did, I'm going to give a bit clarification. Those key are misspelled. See, no, this is the AWS which user. This is nothing but root user. This time I go for here is the root user. My question is, who will create general users? Who will create general user? I am writing a question. Very simple. Who will create users? General in the sense, I create users. Users means IAM users. Users means IAM users. Are you agreeing with me? Only two people can create IAM users. Only two people. Two people can create. Who are they? Number one is root user. Root user. Number two is admin user. Admin user. Both are same. No, not both are same. Root user is different. Admin user is different. See, admin user also created by root user. Admin user also created by root user. Is it okay for you? Good. Suppose I'm taking one arrow mark. Arrow mark. There, these users assume user one, user two, user three. I'm taking at least four users. See, you may think this user, this user is maybe admin user. Admin. This user may be power user. Which user? Power user. This user may be all are IAM users only. All are IAM users. These four are IAM users, but he is the administrator, he is the power user, he is a maybe our feeling is normal user. Normal user. You may ask me what is the difference, normal user. One particular name I am taking, the username is test user. Test. Maybe I am taking test user. Are you understanding that? What is the difference between these users? Admin user having full powers. Admin user having full powers. He has. He has full powers. But what about power user? Power user has not only, okay, we may think other than IAM powers. Other than IAM powers. What does it mean? Are you differentiating? He is having every permission. He is having other than IAM powers. What does it mean? He won't contain, he won't have IAM powers. He may have other powers. Say he has 100 powers. I am giving little clarity. 100 powers. But he has how many powers? Quick response, anyone? 99. 99 powers. 99 powers. Is it okay for you? Now he is the normal user. No power. No power. He is also no power. Is also no power. Is it okay for you? Okay. See, users are created without assigning policies. Without assigning policies, see, assume this is the policy. We may think like this. You may think like this. This is the policy. Your feeling is this is the policy. This policy, can I assign this user? Yes, I can assign it. Can I assign here also? Yes, sir. Yes, I can assign. Like this, we can assign. But what is the disadvantage here? I'm having 1,000 users. I'm having 1,000 users. For 1,000 users, I want to assign same policy. How many times can I assign? 1,000 times I can assign. For that, industry, what they developed is, they developed the concept is groups. They developed the concept name is groups concept. We are going to work with GROUPS groups. What is group? Group is nothing but you may think like this. You may think like this. There I am going to arrow arrow, we can assign, we can assign users to groups. We can assign users to groups. Is it okay for you? Like this, we can assign users to groups. For example, I may take this is group A, this is group B, this is group C. Three groups I am taking. Three groups I am taking. Assume for group A, this is A group or maybe development. You may think like that. Development, this is nothing but testing. This is nothing but production. This is nothing but production. See, I am giving access, maybe two policies here, two policies. Can you guess it? What are the two policies? Maybe S3 full access. S3 full access. One policy. Are you understanding? One more policy, EC2 full access. EC2 full access. See, developers require S3 access is needed. EC2 full access is needed. Are you understanding? See, for production level, I need to give EC2 access also. There EC2 also needed. EC2 full access. And also, I'm giving RDS. You know the word relational database as a service. RDS, I want to give. RDS, I want to give. See what I am going to do. What I am going to do. I am going to see here. Please mute it. Good evening. There,
Good.
user one I am adding. User two I am adding. These two users can able to access these two permissions. You may ask me, here assume I may create two more users. These two people can able to access these two permissions. But sometime I want to require RDS also. I am this user request. What I may do? I am giving I am giving like this. What it may do? This green symbol I may create here. What does it mean? This green symbol, if I create here, this user also belongs to this group. What is the advantage? You may ask me. Here also easy to full access already there. Again easy to full access, no problem. Same permission, twice we provided. But what is the extra power he is able to get? RDS power. RDS power. Who is this person? Who is this person? Like that, one person may belongs to multiple groups. One person may belongs to multiple groups. Is it okay for you? Group is nothing but set of users. Group is nothing but set of users. But what is the interview question? See, one user or one group may support how many permissions? Max, I am asking. Max, how many permissions? Max, how many policies? Anyone can guess it? The max policy is one group or one user, only 10 will allow. Only 10 will allow. Is it okay for you? I can able to assign only 10 policies. But you may ask me, I want to give 20 policies. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. For example, I am assigning, please observe, I am assigning 10 policies to user. I am assigning 10 policies to group. Are you understanding? I am having 10 policies. I am assigning to someone group. That group also having 10 policies. Total how many policies my user may access? That means I am able to access 20 policies I am able to access. Like this, I can assign for me 100 policies also. How can I assign? I may create 10 groups. Each group I may assign 10 policies. I may belongs to all the groups. At that time, what I may do? I can able to access all the policies. Is it okay for you? మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం అండి గ్రూప్స్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం గ్రూప్స్ కి పాలసీస్ అసైన్ చేస్తున్నాం ఆ గ్రూప్ కి యూజర్స్ అసైన్ చేస్తున్నాం ఈచ్ యూజర్ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు యాక్సెస్ ఆల్ ద పాలసీస్ See, to reduce the burden, we are going to create groups. We are reducing the burden to create a groups. I hope you got the clarity. See, this is very simple procedure. Now, hereafter, we may enter into role concept. Role concept. This is very, very powerful. Regularly asking interview question. There, in red color. See, first question. What is a role? What is a role? A role is a A role is a temporary access. A role is a temporary access access without credentials. A role is a temporary access without credentials. See, you may ask me, when do we go for temporary? Any difficulty? Please mute it. A role is a temporary access without credentials. You may ask me, when can we create credentials? When we cannot give credentials. Even that too I'll show you. First we'll think on this. Here, here we may go for assume I'm taking two resources. Assume this is the resource one. This is the resource one. This is the resource two. For example, this is EC2 one resource. Try to understand. This is the EC2. EC2 wants to talk to S3. Is it required or not? Quick response. Yes. Not user is not talking. Resource wants to talk another resource. Resource wants to talk to another resource. At that time, this area, this is nothing but a this is nothing but by using role only, one resource wants to talk to another resource. Otherwise, not possible. Otherwise, not possible. You may ask me, without role, is it possible to communicate? Yes, it is possible. That is not the good way. That is not the right way. But anyway, I'll tell you. See, I'm entering into EC2. I'm entering into EC2. I may install AWS. I may install AWS. AWS console access. AWS console access. AWS console access. See, whenever if I assign AWS console access to EC2, what is the specialty here? It may able to communicate all the 255 resources. But my question is what? Yes, EC2 wants to communicate with only S3. At that time, which is the best procedure? Applying the role concept. What is the role? Is a temporary access without credentials. Providing a temporary access without credentials is nothing but a role. Here, not only role, we're having one more concept. You may refer on the maybe ChatGPT or maybe Google, their assume role. Assume role. This is the interview question. What is assume role? What is assume role? See, I am creating a role, assume. This is, the role. Role means look like this is the role, try to understand. This is like this I am taking, there I am taking, see, look like role, right? See, this is the role. Is it okay for you? This role, see, this is the service. I'm taking one service name. Here I'm taking service. What is the service name? Assume once again. This service name is S3. This service name is S3. S3 service, I want to provide access to one user. Here is the user. Here is the user. Is the person, is the person, is the user. For this user, I want to provide access. I want to provide access. Which one I am providing? One resource access. I am providing to one entity. This is the entity. Who is the entity? User is the entity. User is the entity. So, are you differentiating the difference between general role and assumed role? In general role, what happening? Communication between resources. Communication between resources. But here, communication between resource and user. Resource and user. That's why role is assigned to a particular user is nothing but what is the name of this? What is the name of this? Assume. ASSU. Assume role. Assume role. Is it clear for you? Quickly, we may try to create role concept. Quickly, we may create role concept. First, I may create a group. I may assign some policies to group. Then I assign two users to that group. I may give access to you. You may try it. It is working or not. I may create here three members are there. I think one is Supu, another is Anvesh, and maybe Madhavi. I may create three users. I may take your names only. What happened, you may see. I'm entering into AWS account. There you may know how to enter into. There I'm going to there click on here. This is my root account URL. There I may give access to you also. Maybe everybody is sitting in front of your computer only, right? There you may response it. I may provide maybe user access. User access. There you may go with the DevApps. There DevApps. This is my user, maybe root user. There I'm going with my password. One. Now just I logged in. First, what I am going to do, click on IAM, identity and access management, identity and access management. Here, my intention is very first, I am going to create a group, user group. The group name is create a group name is developer, group name is development. DEVELO, developer group. Just I am creating a group. See, just create group is created. See, for this group, till now, any permissions not defined. That means zero permission, zero permissions. Is it clear for you? Now, what I am able to do, click on users, click on users. I am giving the name, very short name I may give because of already existing names are there. Maybe I may go with ANP, AN. Such name is not there. Such name is not there. Just I am going to provide user access provide. That means console access I want to give. For that, I want to create IAM user. There I am taking password. There's a custom password. For everyone, I am giving common password. You may know welcome, welcome at the rate 12. See the password. Everyone can enter it. Welcome 12. Now see, I am not giving maybe changing password, but simply I'm creating a next. See here what it may ask. See, add user to group. Which group you want to add? See, I can add for two groups also. This is not my intention. This is not my intention. My intention is only that A and B wants to add to developer. See, I'm add. I hope till now clear. Just click on next. Same procedure. I want to follow. There one more step. I think it is there. Return to user list. Now continue it. I may create one more user. There one more INV is created, right? Yes. Now I may create one more user. The username is Subbu. Yes, you. Subbu is not there. I make you full name Subbu. For Subbu also, I want to give console access, right? He is able to log in. He is able to log in. For that, what I may do, IAM, there. See, I need to download that user ID password also. Anyway, you know your user ID password, right? You know your user ID password. I am giving custom. Password is common for everyone. There, welcome at the rate 123. Now check it here. I think correct only, right? Yes. Now simply don't change. Click on next. There add user to group. Which group? There you are able to add developer group. Developer group. There click on next. Click on next. There just move on to create user. Create user. Once user is created, this is important. Just Subbu, I will provide for you. This link only I will provide because of your name, your password. What is the common password? Is that welcome one put. Only this one I am pasting. I am pasting. I am pasting. Everybody will do like this only. After that, you make your username, you make your password. Yes. There I am pasting on our group. There. Subbu, I will provide for you. Maybe here, I think you are not in the group till now. Maybe I know your name, right? There I'll provide for.
Yes.
Okay. There, here you are there. There I'm giving access to. Good. You may try in this way. You may try. You may try. Hereafter, you may work with. The other people I'm adding into group, they may access automatically. Okay. And now I think two users only created. Two users only created. I return to user list. I may create one more user, maybe Madhavi user. Click on users, create users, create users. The username is MADHAVA, Madhavi. There I am providing. Maybe you may try. Are you able to connect or not? Or both people. Maybe Anvesh and Anvesh, you need to connect with A and B. There, Subbu, you need to work with Subbu only. There, I am giving again welcome. Welcome at the rate 123. There, show. Yes, it is correct only. Yes, I am action. You may connect, but you may try. Are you able to access any resources? Yes. Are you able to? No. Now, for a Madhavi also I am giving developer access. Click on next. Click on next. Now hereafter create user. Maybe Madhavi. Madhavi, you may get this one already. You have it in our WhatsApp group. Huh? Double click on here. What is your username? Madhavi. What is your password? Welcome. Everyone try it first. Everyone try it and confirm it. Yeah. Are you able to connect or not? See, assume once you connected. I am taking assumption like that. You are not able to see any resource. See in the sense, maybe click on EC2, you may not. Click on S3, you may not. At least I may give S3 access for these three people. I may give S3 access for these people. First, you may try to log in. Are you trying for login, Madhavi? Sure. What will you do? You need to click on that URL that may provide my account ID. And also, what will you do? Username. Your name is Madhavi. What is your password? Welcome at the rate 123. Subbu also for you same thing. Now you may try. You may not able to access any resource. You may able to see. You may get the red color. All of you try and interact with me. If you are sitting in front of mobile, maybe tell me. I may not leave that. Maybe because of those who are using system, they can able to access this. Now I am giving access to whom? Policies. Click on groups. Click on groups. For that group, click on this group. See developer. See for developer group also already users are added, right? Yes. Users are added. Click on permissions. Click on permissions. Till now check it. Are you able to see any permission for this group? No. See developer group require which permission according to our scenario? S3. S3. Click on add permission. Add permission. Which permission? Attach policies. Which policy I want to attach? See S3. I am typing S3 full. Are you able to see Amazon S3 full access? Yes. Attach policy. Now everybody try. Maybe everybody create. Maybe Anvesh, you create one bucket with Anvesh. Subbu, you create one bucket with Subbu. Madhavi, you may create one bucket with Madhavi. Maybe I may check it here. What will you do? Click on S3. Click on S3. There if you see it, maybe create option is there. Create bucket. Create bucket. Don't select any options. Just simply only bucket name you make use. The name should be lengthy. Short names already someone may use it. That's why you need to give some lengthy name. There also, if you face any difficulty, try to interact with me. I'm giving 2 minutes time for you. Madhavi Garu, are you following what I am saying? There I provided one URL for connecting to AWS account. There, I provided, I think you created a base, one bucket is created. Yes. Maybe others observe, I may enter into S3. I created Europe region. No problem, no, automatically we will see it. Yes. Duplicate tab, I am going. There I am entering into S3. Maybe observe on my screen, you may able to see what you did, I can able to see. There I am clicking on S3. There I am clicking on S3. If I enter into S3, whatever you did, I can able to see. Because I'm the administrator, right? and the administrator, I can able to see in my screen at the top are able to see the Anvesh double line something. Others are able to see Anvesh their AWS DevOps Linux. I think these two maybe I may created in the last class. Others, maybe Subbu and Madhavi, are you creating anything or maybe just you are observing? Please respond.
No, I log in, sir. I'm trying, to create
Oh,
bucket.
okay, good.
I log into.
Okay, thank you. You are doing, at least you are trying to do. Because of your very new, no problem. Slowly you can implement. Here you may face first week some difficulties, but second week onwards very easy to implement. Madhavi, what happening for your side?
Sir, I'm giving bucket name, my name or Subbu or what?
Subbu, just you give Subbu hyphen some numbers Subbu, 10 to 15 numbers, then only it will create. Otherwise, Subbu already exists, it will say.
Okay, number. Okay. Then choose which one, sir? Like they're asking.
What, tell me, just you only you need to give bucket name, then click
Okay.
on create. That's all. Remaining
Okay.
things leave it. We'll discuss later.
Okay, sir.
Automatically, I may refresh here. I may able to see really if you create it. Till now, not it. If anything goes wrong, then you may get a red color or error. Right? You may see.
Bucket with the same name already existed. Okay, one
Yeah,
second.
that's what I said. You may go with lengthy number or lengthy, maybe Suppo hyphen Suppo. Got it? Like that. Some tricky name you need to give. Common names, someone already used.
Created, sir.
Yeah, very good. I may refresh it here, Suppo. You may able to see that. Yeah, very good. You did your task. Now, what about Madhavi? Shall I move on or are you able to doing? Madhavi, I'm expecting your interaction. She is not there. Check it. Madhavi is there or not? Yes. There. Madhavi, shall I move on next concept or are you able to doing? Okay. Anyway, I move on. She is not able to respond. Okay. Good to go. Subbu, till now clear, Subbu. I hope you got the
Oh, okay,
clarity
sir.
right. Okay,
Ah,
good. Now, this is the way I provided access to you. See, this is the permanent access for you because of maybe hereafter, maybe account, maybe 1 month is there or 5 months is there. You are the user belongs to my account. That means this S3 also I given access these three people. How can I provide access these three people? I provided to group, right? I provided to say I may remove maybe either Anvesh or Subbu. Subbu, I may remove just maybe check it on my screen. I may remove you from that group. How can I remove it? We can able to see. First, I am going to IAM. Observe clearly here. Just I am going to what is that? Users. I want to remove only that. There, click on developer. There, I am selecting Subbu. Somewhere remove option is there, right? Is there or not? Remove. See, quickly I am removing. Now, Subbu, once again try to double click on S3. Are you able to access or not? Check it and tell me. You may try to create or you may try to see that resources. See, 1 minute before you are having the access regarding S3. After 1 minute, I realize that is not the right way to give S3 access to Subbu. That's what I did. I excluded from which group? Developers group. My intention, Subbu not belongs to developers group. I thought like that. That's why I removed. But Subbu is there or not there? How can I know Subbu is there or not? Click on users. You may see. Yes. Subbu user must be there. Where is that? Yes. Subbu there, right? Now my
Sir, it shows
intention.
access denied.
Are you able to see the resources? Subbu, are you able to refresh it, Subbu? Once refresh it and try it. Refresh. At the top, refresh symbol is there, right? You may refresh and interact with me. Really, do you have permission or not? Click on Subbu, you can able to see which permission is there. See, Subbu is not having any policy, any permission. Check it here. Yes.
Sir, it
Once
shows
again.
access denied.
Yeah, very good, very good. That's what I am telling. See, Subbu, for you, you are the Subbu. Observe here. You are the Subbu. Are you able to see here on my screen? Here,
Yes, sir.
Subbu. Subbu is not having any permission. Got it or not?
No, sir, no,
Now,
yes.
now once again you requested, sir, unfortunately, I lost my S3 access. Please provide me. Please provide me. At that time, please guide me. What to do? Anyone? Please guide me what to do. Where should I go? Go to user groups.
Yes, sir.
Go to user group. I need to select which one? Developer.
Development.
Developer. Then what is the option here? Add user. See that I am giving such a clarity. Is it okay for you? See, like this, tomorrow one person may join in our company. He belongs to developer. He belongs to developer. Can I give multiple access to that user? No, right? Simply, I may create one user. The username is ABC. That user I may assign to whom that developer group. Automatically, he is able to access whatever other developers having the rights, same right. Even though he is very new, he is also able to access all the powers, right? Subbu, you got it right? This is very simple, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, good to go. Now, till now, very well about user concept, very well about group concept. Shall I move on to role concept? Yes, good. First, we may understand the real purpose of role. Then, without role also, we can do such activities. What is the difference? We may able to see. Click on role. Click on role. They make you their way small definition. See roles. IAM roles is an identity you can create that has a specific permissions with credentials that are valid for short duration. See, I said one word temporary access. See, what is the alternative meaning for temporary access? Is nothing but short duration. Or agree with me? Even I can able to give permission without credentials. Without credentials. Okay? We'll see that one. Without credentials. First, I'll try to create a row. First, I'll try to create a row. Shall I create a row? Or else quickly observe I may create one EC2 instance. Shall I create one EC2 instance, everybody? Just I may move on to here. There I may click on EC2. See where I need to create EC2. That is your wish. That is your wish. Here multiple regions are there. Observe. So many regions are there. You tell me, can I create on Mumbai or can I create on North Virginia? Mumbai. So I am selecting Mumbai. Please observe. I am selecting Mumbai. Within the Mumbai, I'm launching one instance. I'm launching one instance, EC2 instance. The name is my or first, FIRST, first EC2 instance, EC2 INSTANS. I'm taking default options. This is the big concept. I'm not discussing about this. This only our idea, our intention is to create instance. They're taking T2 micro, create a key pair. I'm giving the name is EC2. That's all. Name is EC2. I'm taking here. Very simple. Finally, I'm clicking launch instance. I'm not touching anything. I'm not touching anything. See, instance will create. Is it created or not? Yes. See, at the time of creating one key I created, I got created. Where it is available. Whenever if you create a key, automatically it is downloaded into your downloads folder. We can able to see Windows key. Please observe. Please observe. I am going to downloads. See, on my downloads, EC2. Subbu, are you able to see the word EC2 because that is the key. That is the key. EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud. That is our aim. This is PEM. This is the PEM file. This is the PEM file. Private enhanced mailing. Private enhanced mailing. Very simple answer. This is the public key. This is the private key. Assume. Anyone can guess it. Is it public key or is it private key? Right. This is the pure private key. AWS people holding public key, they are providing one key for us. See, if public and private key matches, then only instance will connect. Otherwise, it won't connect. Till now, clear, Subbu? What I did, I created one EC2 instance. I want to connect to that EC2 instance, which is mandate. See, unfortunately, Subbu, I got deleted this key. We can't able to connect. There is no way. There is no way. Try to understand. Okay, our intention is what? We want to connect to this, right? We want to connect it to this EC2 instance. First, I will try to connect. For that also, very easiest way is that first I will guide you that one. They are launched EC2 instance. Click on instances. See, this is running, right? This is in active. This is in active. Click on ID. Click on ID. There you may see connect option is there or not. Yes. Shall I click on connect? Yes. Yes. If I click on connect, see there multiple options are there. Just leave about that. Click on SSH client. SSH client. There, see support. Example URL. Are you able to see this URL? Yes. Just I am copying this. I am copying this. Where should I move? On our downloaded area. There, how should I go? Within the downloads, there, right click on this, just go for show more. We need to see the Git bash here. Just observe today. This is, I'll take the other class for this. Okay, Git bash. Only for observation at all. What about here? Something going wrong? This looks like a incorrect setup. Now I think, yeah, now you got it. Now you got it, no problem. Right click and paste it over here. Enter. What it may happen. See, are you sure you want to continue? What shall I do? Yes. Acceptance. Yes, only. Is it accepted or not? Please observe. Which is created? EC2 is created. See, our question, this is one instance, this is one resource. This resource able to communicate with which resource? S3 resource. Who will try? Is it really communicate or not? See, I am go to sudo -i. That means root user. See, AWS, I am trying first. AWS. See, AWS is there in the sense, yes, it is there. How can I know? AWS hyphen version. Please observe. Are you able to see the version? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Now AWS S3 LS. What does it mean? Hey, through AWS command, I am going to interact with S3. Show me list of buckets. AWS S3, within the S3 service, I want to see the list of buckets. I may press enter. What happening? You may see. What it is saying? Unable to locate credentials. You can configure credentials by using AWS configure options. This is the way I can agree. But my intention is what? I don't want to configure. If I configure means I must provide credentials. What I said, without credentials, you can able to access S3. Are you agree with me? Yes. This is the with credentials, which is the good way. Good. Without credentials is the right way. How can you do? Shall we go for that? Good. What shall I do? Please observe what I am going to do. There, where I am in? Yes. Now click on IAM. Click on IAM. Click on role concept. Create a role. Now tell me just AWS services. See, service wants to communicate with another service. We may go for AWS service. Is it okay for you? Click on, see, use case, choose, choose service or use case. See, I am selecting EC2. Which one communicate with which one? EC2 wants to communicate with S3. Is it okay for you? Service or use case, there EC2, EC2, there I am clicking next. EC2 wants to communicate with which resource? Anyone respond? Yes. S3. For that, what I may go? There S3, S3 full access. Is it okay for you? Yes. Good. Next. It is expecting role name. What is the role name? EC2 hyphen S3 hyphen full access. Are you agree with me? Yes. This is our naming convention. This is our naming convention. My EC2 wants to communicate with S3 bucket. Now, see, here this is the important thing. In examination perspective, what are the things? This is the JSON format. This is the JSON format version. This is the standard format. 2012, 10, 17, they developed JSON format. Okay. Effect, allo, actions. What is the action? Assume role. Assume role means temporary role. Please try to remember. Wherever the word assume is there, temporary access. Temporary access. What he is able to access? That EC2 Amazon, what is that? Amazon AWS.com service. Is it okay for you? Just going to move on. There, click on create role. Role got created. See, try to understand again. I'm going to MS Paint, Windows key or MS Paint, Windows key or MS Paint. There, this is existing already one resource. Assume this is the EC2. Good. This is the S3. Good. But I created one role that is also good. See, here EC2 is there, one service. S3 are there, one service. What is the thing our requirement? These two wants to communicate, right? These two want to communicate means what I may do. See, I'm assigning, try to understand this role to this. Everybody understanding, right? What I am doing? I am assigning this role to this. From hereafter, what he may do, he in the sense, what he may do, that EC2 wants to interact with whom? Subbu, got the clarity?
Yes, yes.
Yes, I created one role. See, on the market, one umbrella is there. A rain is there. Rain is coming. What will you do? They will provide directly umbrella for you. You may pay something, you may get it, you may move. Is it okay for you? See, this is the role is there. Just now role got created. Role is assigned to whom? EC2. EC2 can able to communicate S3. Which purpose I created role? Only for communicating with S3. EC2 wants to communicate with S3. You got it right? Now, you may ask me, how to assign this role to EC2? Till now, am I assigned role to EC2? No. How can I assign? That is the thing you need to understand. Then click on here in EC2, click on instances, observe carefully. This is the instance is running. Yes. Already got selected, right? Generally, it may not got selected. You need to select like this. After selecting, you go to actions. You go to actions. There, see, in the actions, click on security. Click on security. See, modify, which is the option is there? Modify IAM role. Now you tell me, if I drop down, you may able to see my role name. Yes. See, somewhere you created, see, roles are applicable for maybe that EC2 instance. That's why here you are able to see. Click on here, is it okay, right? Now click on update IAM role. Once it is updated, again I am coming to the prompt. Is it updated, right? Now same command I am going to apply. What you may get it? See, what is the specialty? Are you able to see it right? Are you able to see it right? Now suppose some users I got created, right? Some users, see, AWS, IAM, list users. See, Again, permission is not there, right? Observe.
Yes, sir.
Now I am asking to anyone try already procedure, right? Already procedure, right? You want to create one role. We want to create one role. That role, see, EC2 wants to interact with whom?
Users.
EC2 wants to interact with IAM. You need to tell the answer. IAM contain users. See, S3. See, I may ask you, how can I connect bucket means? You must tell the answer is, oh, you need to connect to S3. S3 contain bucket. IAM contain users. Subbu, are you understanding? Without IAM, without connecting IAM, how can I access users? Anyone can guide me? See, I want to get here my user list. Maybe Subbu, Anvesh, something I create, right? I want to access here. Please guide me quickly.
You can use same row, sir.
Same role. Don't go. Another role. We may go with another role. One more role. Multiple roles we can assign. Multiple roles. One person may do multiple roles. Is it okay for you? Now guide me what to do. Again, where should I go? Go to IAM. Very good. Go to role concept. Very good. Go to role concept.
Create row.
Now quickly go for their roles. Are able to see the name of the role here? Create role. Create role. Now that's the AWS service only, right?
Yes.
AWS service. Now what shall I do? Again, which one wants to interact? EC2 only, right?
Yes.
EC2 for EC2. Yeah, good. And now quickly guide me. Click on next.
Next.
Now what to do?
IAM.
There IAM, right?
Yes.
There you need to type IAM. IAM. See,
Access.
IAM identity. IAM full access.
Yes.
IAM full access. Good. Now click on next. Now, what is the name of the that EC2 hyphen IAM? That's all. That's all. Okay, leave it. Good to go. Now there I need to click on create role. Role is created, right?
Yes.
Role is created. Now what to do? Go to instance area. Again got selected. You need to go to actions. Go to what is that?
Security.
Security. You need to modify IAM. There you need to select.
Drop down.
You need to select which one there EC2
Last.
and what is that?
Easy to use.
EC2 EC2 IAM. Good. There click on update IAM. There we can assign multiple powers for one role actually. There I created two different roles for your easy understanding. Two different roles. Now I may quickly move on to EC2 instance, right? Now up arrow, you may check it. Am I able to see all the users? Yes or no? Then simply click on Q. There I may go. I may try for which one? S3LS. Why I am not getting? Are you observing? Because of that is different role. This is different role. Subbu, are you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Two different. Our aim is what? I want to access S3 as well as IAM. Anyone can tell me what is the little modification? I want to get not only S3, but also IAM. Not only IAM, but also S3. What to do? Quickly guide me. For one role, you need to assign two permissions. So got the clarity? Actually, I created one role, one permission. Another role, another permission. But our aim is what? One role I want to assign two permissions. We may create one more role. EC2 with IAM and S3. Shall we go for that quickly? Anyone can guide me? Click on roles. Click on roles. Yeah, good.
Create role.
There, create role. Very good. Click on first one only. Now there select EC2 only. Yeah, good. Next click on next only.
Yes.
There you need to select
IAM.
first EC2, not EC2. S3, right?
Yes.
S3 full access. See, check it. Somewhere S3 is there. Where is the S3 full access? S3 full access. Okay. And you need to. If you select it, automatically assign. No need to worry. Okay. Next, in the same way, you go for which one?
IAM.
IAM. IAM. Automatically there IAM is there. You need to check. This is also selected, right? Now click on next. What happened? Yes. Both are available or not? Both are available or not? See, observe carefully.
Yes.
IAM full access, Amazon S3 full access. Like this, we can just you check it, automatically it will assign. Now good to go. Click on create role. Click on the role name. See EC2
IAM.
IAM hyphen S3. That is good, right? Good. Meaningful name. That's all. Now click on
Create role.
AWS is very simple once you understand properly. Now everything is fine. Click on EC2. Again go to actions. Go to security. Go to modify IAM. Select your specific IAM role. Where is that? Last one. Last one. Click on update IAM role. Update IAM role. Now what to do? Going to EC2 instance. Now up arrow. I can able to see. Now one more down arrow or one more up arrow. I can able to see.
Yes.
Is it clear? Any difficulty?
Yes.
Everybody got the clarity?
Yes.
Now you know, till now you know which one? Till now you know how to create user.
User.
Till now you know how to create group. Till now you know how to create role.
Yes.
But interview question is one user can able to access how many policies? 10 policies only. Till now I didn't apply, right?
Yes.
You may try. We can able to assign only 10 policies. Even though 11th policy may accept or even though accepted, it won't work. Only supporting 10 policies. Clearly we may do in front of. Maybe I may take their
User.
one user. Maybe I may go to users CAM. Maybe I may take Subbu user. User already Subbu is there.
Yes.
Select Subbu user. There click on this. I may assign. I want to assign multiple. See, add permissions, right? There add permissions. There we may select. Say attach policies directly. Now we are trying all assume. I may try. How many are there? See, max it is supported how many here?
Something.
20. But actually, maybe very first time they said 10 only. Why it is showing 20 according to my view? Already Subbu belongs to Subbu. Or you belongs to group also, right? Or not belongs to group?
Not belongs to.
You are not
Group.
belongs to group?
Yes.
Already you are in group or not in group?
Not in.
Check it
Group.
first. You are in group, we may check it first. Otherwise, you may face complexity. Go to IAM, quickly observe, going to use groups, there, developer, you check it here. That Subbu is there or not. Yeah, Subbu is there. That's why it is showing 20. See, here already some is there, right? Okay, I may remove this first.
Yes.
You may see. There, remove user. So now once and you go for, we may get the clarity. Now click on users. What is the username? What is the username? Super good. This is the right format. Now again, where should I go? Add permissions.
Yes.
Add permissions. Now even though attach policies directly, see here 1378 permissions are there. Even though my intention is what? I want to assign everything. How many it is taking max? 20 only it is taking. We can't assign more than it is assigning 20 only. Here my intention, my I want to select my own. Is the first one I am selecting, maybe third one I am selecting, like that. I may choose my own. Like that, how many I can choose? Only 20 I can choose. Only 20 I can. Is it okay for you? One user, 20. I want one more 20. I may assign 20 to group also. 20 to group also. Till now clear, right?
Yes.
Now tomorrow we may see assume role. Till now you know role only. Till this is not assume role. This is the role concept.
Yes.
See, one service wants to talk with another service. Till now you know that one only. Tomorrow what we may see, user wants to talk with service. User wants to talk with service. That means I'm assigning one role to one user. That is the assigning. We are thinking like a assuming role. Assuming role means temporary access for that user. Temporary access for that user. Okay. I'm stopping here. Tomorrow we'll see. Tomorrow, even though Sunday, tomorrow morning no class, evening class will be there. Evening class as usual, AWS class only. Okay, Subbu, is it till now clear,
Okay.
right? Good.
Okay.
Good. Okay, thank you. First, stop recording.